sua ultima carta, il suo ultimo prezioso tentativo di stupire quando dice.
Buongiorno everybody. Today we're at the train station in Milan going to Geneva in Switzerland. It's about a 6-hour train ride. And then from there we're going to an island off the coast of Spain for 5 days. Shout out to my dad. Love you, man. We were supposed to go to Berlin, but some plans changed, so we're going there. So far the trip has been absolutely fantastic. We spent, I think, 2 days and 3 nights in Milan. Went to a perfume conference, learned a lot about that style of beauty and like that whole perfumery world. Got all my gear with me here, sitting on the ground because there's no seats here and I don't care if it's dirty or not. So. Switzerland and Geneva. Got here like 20 minutes ago. It was a really the train ride just Hey guys, I'm in Mallorca. I'm pretty sure that's how you say it. And my pronunciation in the island is a crime. It's Majorca, not Mallorca. So pardon me. Got here like 2 hours ago. Like I said, we were supposed to go to Berlin, but some of the plans fell through. So shout out to my dad. He got us 5 days at the Hilton here, and it's so beautiful. We rented a car. We're gonna go tour the island. It's huge. Obviously, we're not gonna be able to cover all of it, but yeah. Sup guys, I'm chilling here all alone in the resort in this little like secluded spot. Let me show you. It's not really secluded, like there's a whole pool and there's not a single soul except for me, so I'm taking advantage of it. But this resort is so kick-ass. I love it, and there's not a lot of people here either, so it's kind of fun. There's a kitten right there and I try to like call it like Gato, like come here. I don't think she can hear me, I'm gonna be honest. We are on mission Gato rescue right now. There she is. Guys, I'm kind of in a predicament because I don't know what to do with this cat. Like I don't want to touch her because she's like sickly, but hi baby girl. Okay, Gata and I have come to an understanding that tomorrow morning I'm going into town to get cat food so I can bring it back up here and leave it, because it even crushes my spirit and my heart to leave her alone tonight. She is so sweet though. My new bestie. Good morning everybody. Today's Tuesday and our plans for the day are to go down to the little villages. I don't know if they're like towns. We're gonna go like shopping and check them out, and we have to do our laundry at one of them. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. It's kind of warm outside, so I went up to the hotel to have breakfast, which is my favorite part of the day, I'm not gonna lie. There's a cat here, Gato. There's no bowl for her to drink water, so she's been drinking pool water. So I have to go back to get my tote bag because I'm gonna take a cereal bowl, take it for her so she can drink actual water, because I think that's why she's so sickly, is because she's just drinking bleach. Well, we just went shopping and the car died again. So just waiting for them to get here. But look how pretty it is in these parts. So,
12 Cubanos, 18 euro.
yep,
With a lighter.
for the whole pack. We should have got one of these. One of the smart cars. Okay, we'll show you what we got today. I got this little bracelet and a keychain. Got some beer, and then the really important stuff. Wait, where is it? They're actually in Tilly Melons. And then, oh shit, well, then
Penis peppers.
You say, we are on the way with another car. Sweet. Oh wait, this is the pussy flower. So yeah, we're gonna grow these, and I asked the lady, and she's like, they're real. So she could be capping. So now we're living it up. Is it good?
For a euro? Yeah, it's great.
So we got a replacement car. It successfully made it back to the hotel. So now I'm gonna go check on Kitten. Brought her, I stole a bowl from breakfast. It's still there. I'm gonna fill it up. She's been eating the food. So that's it. I brought this tank top today. No, it's still there. She's chilling. In the ancient ruin. Very exciting stuff. Yeah. What year is this?
Hey, you wanted to come here.
This is 123 BC. Yep. The beginning of urban life in Majorca. Is that how you say it, Majorca? Okay. This door is not stopping me. Weird hole shapes here. Oh, wait. Beep. I think I can just walk on this. There's no sign telling me not to, so I'm gonna do it. Probably fit in there.